Question 22. We construct trapezium A, B, C, D. Draw AB 10 centimeters. At A, make 65 degrees and mark AD 5 centimeters to fix D. At B, make 67.5 degrees, and since DC is parallel to AB, that fixes C. Measuring. DC is about 6.01 centimeters. Dropping a perpendicular from D to AB at E, the height DE measures about 4.53 centimeters. Now draw an arc, center A, radius 5, from D round to a point F on AB. It spans the 65-degree angle. Part B. The trapezium's area is a half times 10 plus 6.01 times the height 4.53, which is 36.28. The arc cuts off a sector, center A, radius 5, angle 65 degrees. 65 over 360 times pi times 5 squared, which is 14.18. So the area outside the arc is 36.28 minus 14.18, about 22.1 square centimeters. Well done. That's question 22 complete.